Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today we came to the craft market. Yes, we're in Ocherias. It's Saint and Jamaica. Okay, so we're gonna cross the road. The road is busy. We're gonna cross the road and go check out the market, craft market.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Ready, go.
We don't know it
You
yet.
see a restaurant already, I'll call you.
Yeah. Let's walk
I'm
around.
gonna say, yo, tourists, roll in.
No, no, circle.
What is that? Kush? How about that? What? Oh, alright. Oh, secret language. Oh, okay. No problem. Thanks. Alright, guys. So we came to the market. Alright. Do you think in Jamaica you can haggle the prices really good? Or not really? You just
I can, but without you.
stay
I can, but without you. That's
stay
you.
cool and try to not overpay for things.
I'm not gonna work with you. I'm not this.
So Errol say him not believe in my company that price can go down when I'm with him.
No, your company don't help in situations.
Yeah.
So these are this one for window shop.
Yeah, but guys,
How much for this one?
2,500.
That's the best price?
Jersey.
A jersey still this one, no. No, I'm not for the best. I walk in from this one, no. I'm putting in
yeah guys, that's how we do it.
It's 2.5.
Take notes.
Second
Take notes.
I'm go on. Coming up, we just have to do looking shop first.
So we
buy
gotta do.
money down. So we just have to check everything and I'm doing it. Come like jersey. I know the only one you have though. Cause you have one up. Oh, that's just it. That one you see. Make sure you have a consistent. If you see nothing like.
Yeah, I'm taking lessons, you know. I'm just observing how to do it right, cause yeah, some things may not do right, you know. You have to do things right. Where you look, pan?
Yeah, 1,500 for them.
Is that like a bag? So you like it? How much feet?
1,500, 1.5.
1.5.
When you fly out, you can get one. You know, you have to represent.
Yeah. Oh, souvenir. Yeah, as a souvenir. Errol wants to represent. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Here you have to come. When you come to Jamaica on your vacation, you have to check out market, isn't it? Because them sell nice souvenirs, them sell clothes, them sell bags with Jamaica writing, with Jamaica writing on it, isn't it? Yeah, so if you want to remember your vacation, you have to definitely visit that place. Yeah. And give a little support to the local vendors. Yeah man, give a little support to Jamaican vendors, cause you and me know them not get richer for you, but you know them have to make them life, isn't me? So you have to come and visit the market. Market nice. But you know my problem, me love to touch things, but rule number one, if you don't buy, don't touch. Yo, cause you know, yo, your girl hand touchy, my hands them touchy. I like to, you know, I like to feel the items easily before, even if I don't plan. I may always try to control myself, because everything just looks so cute and I have to touch it and you know squish it, but I can't do that. You cannot do it if you don't plan to buy it. Do not touch, isn't it? Always remember it. Alright. Jamaica shirts, Jamaican print, Jamaica on everything. Hats them nice. You see, yeah. You see me? You can't come back from Jamaica without a bag with Jamaica on it. What that? Eh?
I don't know, when you grow up, your grandmother
It's a basket.
Picnic basket.
They always have them thing when you grow up. I guess people don't make.
They still make them.
Is it?
Oh, it's handmade, right?
Yes, it's made in St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, so the people come up and we buy from them and send. All those of them will buy them from fans and hats.
I used to remember everything a lot. That's the St. Elizabeth, my grandmother, my grandfather from St. Elizabeth. So that's how it
First time I see something like that, you know, because I went to the craft market in Kingston and I've never seen something like that. So it's creative. Yeah, I look on this, I like that design nice. Well, forgive me and my little touching. We can't escape it.
But you may get discount.
So then I think
You have to huggle the price. Huggle your price, my youth. Huggle it. Alright. Yeah. Here comes by flag. Yeah, so you know guys, a lot of things they are made in China, but some stuff you can find handmade. Most things them made in China, but them good as souvenirs, you know, as the quality kinda goes along with the price, isn't it? Yeah. Watch out. You represent. You represent.
No, no, kill it, take it.
How much?
1500,
1.5. Earl got Jamaican flag for 1.5, 1,500.
So you make a picture with you right there.
Alright, so far we got a Jamaican flag, and I'm thinking,
Oh, sister shop.
Sister shop, chop sister shop.
yeah, so I'm thinking about to get something for myself too. And the next thing, in the market you can bring back home with you paintings. See, paintings. You can bring some Jamaican painting, put on your wall and look on it, and always remember, see, this is the Ludi. Jamaican people love play Ludi. You can Google, but shame on me, I live in Jamaica for 5 years. I lived in Jamaica, but I still don't know how to play Ludi. Shame on me, but you know guys, I know how to play dominoes. Okay, dominoes. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, she's just pretty.
Yeah. It's my sugar daddy. He's my sugar daddy. Yes.
That's cool, man.
Yes. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm looking. Thank you. So, I wanted to get myself maybe shorts with Jamaica on the bumper. I don't know. I'm still looking. I don't know. Yeah, this you must have as a woman. You must have it. When you come to Jamaica, you have to buy something like that. Yeah. And maybe marina, but I'm not sure about costume. If I would put like all the suit, shorts and marina, because one time I did put and people did a laugh at me. And it wasn't Jamaican day, so it was just a regular day. So I put on my marina with Jamaica on it. I put on my shorts with Jamaica on my bumper, and people on the gas station just have busted up. Like yo, I represent every day, even if it's not a Jamaican day. Jamaica day, I represent. What's that?
I wish Caribbean Island played that thing.
Want the green?
Some Caribbean Island.
Yeah, like that, like on display. Yeah.
Some Caribbean Island played that thing. Calypso.
Calypso? Alright, now dance.
This is nice.
Yeah, I love it.
Jesus Christ, please,
So how much you going to give me? For
Jamaican or American?
Jamaican.
We sell this set for 4 or 5. We give it 4.
Oh, for 5. You're gonna give it to me for
5,
4.
we give it 4.
Ah, okay.
See, mommy, I said
what's
this
that?
name Job Seed.
Job stairs.
Job Stairs.
So it big like
So it come from a tree.
Oh wow.
banana tree.
Banana tree. Way in the country. You know, so I never see this yet.
No, me not know the tree. See?
You know the tree either?
No,
so
I don't
somebody
know
here
the
see
tree.
them.
I buy the seed.
They buy the seed them. Boy, them almost don't look like seed.
It's seed. So
Look
me
like
have to
something
do
that comes
this
out of the
now.
water.
I have to do
See, mommy,
this
clear
now.
that out.
Clear this out. Shoot this.
You can make jewelries
Yes.
out of it.
I have some down there. What I will finish up. And
Okay, no
so
problem.
when I don't know, I just cut it like this.
Okay, and you make bracelet or anklet and
Nice.
It's a natural.
Natural.
natural seed.
You can't come broke
How much
pocket
is-
to the market, cause everything cash, guys. You gotta have your dough in your pocket when you come to the market. Yeah, so no cards, no,
So you can
Yeah.
buy this here, go fix?
just pure
glass.
cash, dollars or Jamaican currency. Yes, anyhow you want to take it. You turn Rasta.
Oh, complex. Can't read this one down already.
You turn Rasta.
I'm gonna do it. I'll probably do it.
Bad man. All them tourist love. Can I try it?
Of course. Let me set you up nice.
All right. See, we turn Rasta.
girl.
See, no, I'm Rasta.
You're not ready. You're not Rasta yet.
I'm not ready yet.
Rasta you up.
Oh.
See?
Oh,
Oh, you mean?
I went to the market and became Rasta.
Yeah. I mean, me tree.
Taba, look for me.
Me knock 5 off.
Taba.
Let me take a picture of it. Take one picture. Come.
Yeah.
All right,
You're
now
the
go
boss.
take
You're
it.
the boss.
Me and change your identity.
Yeah. I get baptized.
Yeah. Yeah, you're nice. Nice. Go. Nice. Go.
Please, for me, I clone out Swaggy spoon. Come on, I love clone you. I love take a video.
Why the boss? Yeah, you see, you're having fun. We have to have fun, you know.
That's life.
Yeah, that's life.
You can't try to go rest in the future.
Yes, my sister.
Wait, Errol and Swaggy.
Hey,
They're
what
on
God?
the island. I don't watch all the while.
Yeah, catch Swaggy in our beats.
I don't watch all the while.
Alright, so you that.
We just
That's what we do. Get enough pose already.
Jamaican pose, no?
You mean Jamaican? Sorry, yeah. I mean, no. So, Swaggy, our picture me take while I'm gonna Jamaican pose now, them? Alright, so that's a Jamaican pose. Show me. See? You're there too long, youth.
Wow, I mean, said too small, but in a small at all. Like, guys, let me show you something. I threw the corner. I did not see what is going on here, but look here, like a art section. A lot of paintings here.
That's what we make here. These are handmade.
Hello, come on, my right. Yeah, just a circle, isn't it? Just a cruise through the market. Yes, so guy said it's handmade. Yes, handmade.
Yeah, that's what we do.
This is a good souvenir. See, Jamaican map on it, so you always remember how Jamaica looks like. And this is a Jamaican national bird, hummingbird, Dr. Bird. This Rastaman is huge. This one, you're in the process.
Yeah,
this
man.
one,
Yeah.
oh big. So how much it will cost?
That one?
This one,
That one costs like 1,000 euros.
1,000 US. Wow, I've never expected to see that market. Huge. Okay.
Okay, video shoot in my shop right here.
Sure.
You want to get anything from me?
I'm looking.
$1.
$1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I show you my $1 keychains and bracelets?
It's fine. You can show.
I have, and then you can come back and look.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I have these and these and these and these
Mm-hmm.
and over here.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have some $1.
Yeah. Wow.
From where?
Yeah. YouTube. Yeah, man. What's your name?
Headley Thompson.
Oh, so all this you made it yourself.
These are mine.
You painted it and wow. See some nice paintings there.
Yeah, you
Very-
try to get the whole shop. You can get the whole
Yeah,
shop.
sure.
I've been painting many years now, and they put me on the radio, on the television. I got interviews, I won exhibitions,
Yeah.
and
Wow.
I was painting from I was 7 years old.
7 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
And my first prize was for my school.
Oh.
And while I was there, I entered another exhibition and I won the All Island.
Oh.
And from then, bam.
So you're well legit. Yeah, you're well legit.
Well out there, you know.
Yeah. All right. So how much for the painting?
Like that.
Yeah.
This one, like, that's US, 350.
US
350.
350. Okay. Well, it's not that
We
bad.
met with the guests and sometimes we name a price, you know. But we can reason.
You can't reason it.
And then
Yeah, yeah.
we
Because we there
come
market, you have to
and
reason.
agree.
Yeah, if you're not reason, you'll get robbed.
When I first started, you know,
Mm.
at my home,
Uh-huh.
my home was a little humble, little thing.
Uh-huh.
So I said to Mama and Papa, I'm going on the street to sell some paintings.
Uh-huh.
So I got some little paintings and I put them in a carton box. Put them on my head, house to house. By 3 o'clock, everything sell out.
Oh, wow.
And then I come back home again and start again.
Oh.
And afterward again I say, Mama, Papa, we going to start go Ochi.
Oh.
And we start
That's
go
how,
Ochi. And there was
yeah. So thing did a
things
pop.
there, things took
That good. Yes. Ah. So this is your
Headley
like
Thompson.
spot. Always here.
Headley Thompson is my name.
Uh-huh.
I'm always here.
Always here. All right. Yeah, guys.
876 373
All right.
0604.
All right. So you can even make your call and tell people can tell you what they want on them painting and you can do it for them. So exclusive things.
Yeah.
Exclusive. All right. Thank you.
Nice to have you around.
All right. Thank you. What's up? Mommy has card machine. You see, guys, allow me to tell to you that you can't come with your card only, because actually some vendors, they have a machine that you can, just put your card to it. Stores them there. Yeah, guys, so we are going to come out. It's time to leave. Oh, yeah. Errol, so you think today was hit or miss? Today was hit or miss? The always I say market can only goes 2 ways, hit or miss. I think it was hit.
I mean, it was a good day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so that really wants to say.
We are going.
You think say,
Yes, so we are going home. Yeah, we have some things to do. Yes, but guys, I hope you like the video. Hope you like the market here. Showed you a little bit of Jamaica, isn't it? Yes, this is Jamaica. Alright. Yes, so yeah. Isn't it? If you want compliments, come to the market. You're gonna get them. Enough. Yeah.
So you're not going to
Hummock of my dream. Look on it. The Rasta hummock. Alright, look on the hummock. What that you wanted all along? Era was dreaming about hummock. And guys, so it's time to go. Is that guinea? It tastes good? Oh, I can't eat it because I have braces. My sad, you know my sad. Guinea nice? You ready? What? So we stuck here for a while then. You're going to down the tree.
Take care. Take care, Mama.
Yes? Yeah, guys, so Errol is enjoying guinea. Yes, so.
What time? 5 o'clock we leave for the man. Yeah. 5 o'clock we leave for the man.
So that's it. That's it. Show guinea, Errol. Don't show it from inside. Was it? It's really ready?
You know game so you know good. Oh yeah, okay.
Jamaican grape. See? That's how you call it, Jamaican grape. See that?
I don't do it.
Yeah? I like to go in the car after it been parked because it's so hot like sauna, guys. Woo! Yes, so we done our market little shopping, and you know I realized that when you go to the market you have to have like idea on what you want to buy, and you have to have some dough, you know. So next time when we go to the market we need to think about what I want to buy. Yeah, because when you're too frustrated, it ain't gonna work. So when you go to the market, just have a little idea for yourself what you want to buy. If you want a dress, like look on dresses, because things can be, you know, distracting. And yeah, just have an idea when you go to the market. And also have the money, because under every window have a machine for the card. So take it as a note too, because you don't want to be, you know, without Tina for Alina, you see me? When you go to the market. Yeah. What? From old songs, you know? So sometimes I just insert them.
But the song doesn't mean nothing with money. See, but you just turn it now and
yeah, I turn it into my thing.
Yeah,
yes.
It
so
sound like
Tina
it's
for Alina link.
Yeah. It sounds like it's gonna work. And that's why I say, yo, you have most like you want to build something. Look at this, here people are saying it, and I say, yo.
Yeah. New slang, because you know, you don't know Jamaican part will change every day. Somebody come with something cool, and people just take it and run with it. That's it. That is Jamaican patois, you know? Say patois. Jamaican patois, it's hot. So, yeah, that's it. Big up to all the vendors. You don't know hard-working people. You see me? Hard-working people. Yeah. Alright, guys. Goodbye. Look more.